Now let's look at water resources. This is one experiment done at Pune by Dr. Girish Patade and Pranay Abang. And the result was also shown in a slide of Professor Selvamurthy. They took raw water, contaminated water from a river in Pune, very much contaminated. And then they poured this water through a column of Agnihotra ash, which was in a cylinder, glass cylinder. And there was an improvement in all the different parameters. Especially interesting is the bacterial count, which goes down by 93% to 98%, depending on the method how you measure it. So from very bad water, very contaminated water, you got drinking water quality. So Agnihotra ash definitely helps to purify water. But even larger water bodies are improving if you perform Agnihotra next to it and you add Agnihotra ash regular to the water. This was an example at the Narmada River at Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh, not far away from Indore. There's a homotherapy Goshala, and here you see there were research stations. Two were upstream of this homotherapy Goshala, and no, three were upstream, and one was downstream. And you see in all the parameters, the homotherapy Goshala parameters, they were best. pH 7.5. In other stations, 8 or more. And most important is the coliform count. It was 100 ml in the homotherapy place, close to the homotherapy place, and 500 to 700 ml in the other research stations. Means if you perform Agnihotra and some other Homa fires regularly at some place, then even a large water body like the Narmada River gets improved. So that is one method how we can also purify our rivers. And in India, that's a big problem. I mean, there's there are projects about the Ganga, the Yamuna, all these rivers, to purify them. If we would have Homa places along the shore of these rivers, then definitely that would help. Now, an effect of Agnihotra on a bore well, that was in Australia, and the farmers found water, which was lucky enough, but it was highly alkaline and highly saline. So with just performing Agnihotra and adding Agnihotra ash regularly to the water, within 6 months, the pH came down from 9.5 to 7.2, and salinity from 1150 to 720 parts per million, means that is within the range of World Health Organization for drinking water. So basically, that has helped to save their farm.